What's up, Beam Team? So today we're installing my Andream backup camera. This is also a gift from one of my cousins. I was never gonna do it, but why not? It was given to me, so we're just gonna get to it. So I'm here with my Jeep buddy, the one that has the video I made, the one that you guys have been running up for 3,000 views on it. So right now we're trying to get the backup camera going, and I'm gonna get into that with you guys right now. So if you guys are familiar with how to work with these, you guys gotta take out the few Phillip heads that are on here, and then you guys gotta get, I think it's 8 of Torx. And then he knows how to do all the wiring, I don't. Yeah, something like that. And then we gotta wire, you gotta take off the trunk piece, take off this piece, and then we gotta wire it through down here, all the way to the main. So we just did a little test run and it is working, guys. So we're gonna get into that, and I'm gonna get into that for you guys. So you guys gotta take out the trim piece here, trim piece here, trim piece there, pull out that little side piece there, and you should have access that runs all the way to. All right, so now I just took the old latch out. As you guys can see, this is how the old latch looks. This is how the new latch looks. You gotta pop it in. It has the backup camera. I have the wires dangling out now, and we're gonna make sure everything feeds correctly. I'm noticing now that the quality of it is nice. It fits really well. The only thing is that I'm guessing it needs to be broken in a bit, so you gotta push a little hard. As you guys can hear the trunk releasing now. It's getting better now that I've been I'm pressing it more, getting used to it. But yeah, that's the new step we're on, and now we're gonna work into getting the wires to wire down and go into it perfectly. All right, guys, I'll update you guys in a little bit. So now we ran the wire, connected it in there. We stuck his hand in there to avoid trying to take this out. So we stuck his hand in there, ran the wire down there. We're trying to hide it over there to put it under the dashboard and run it to the back. So that's the complication we're running into now, trying to cut corners. But we'll see. We'll see if we can do this. We started like, I'm gonna say like 20 minutes ago. It might be a 30-minute job. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it works, and I'm gonna let you guys know how the camera quality is after we end up getting everything done. So keep you guys updated once again. So now we put everything back together. We ran the wire up in here. You had to take this out, ran it, tucked it into the carpet, tucked it into this plastic piece. Now, as you guys can see, here's a little bit of the slack. We're gonna still pull it in. Got to take out the piece here, as you guys know. We ran it to the trunk and we ran it through. We're about to put it in the little trunk sleeve thing.
You like how I tucked it up in there?
Yep, he tucked it into there, made it look a little better. And yeah, we're gonna we're gonna try to clean everything up soon, and hopefully this thing will work as it should. So right now, as I said, everything's put back together. We're gonna put this back together in a little bit. I'm gonna put this back together now. As you guys know, you just click it in and it slides a little bit. This stuff is a little annoying, guys. You know how it goes, but so far we're doing it pretty quickly, and I'm a little surprised about that. So, I mean, I never really needed a backup camera. I knew it would be nice content for you guys in case if you guys wanted to do it for your F30s, but hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be back again. All right, guys, so everything is put away over there. As you guys can see, the panels are all tucked away. The wire is running all the way through. Our boy Matt hooked me up, got the wiring all the way through. We put everything along here to go in with the OEM wire. Right now, he's going to try to wire it to the reverse light so they come on when the reverse lights are turned on. So after that, we're gonna button everything up, check to see if everything works properly. As you guys can see, the camera's up there. So we're just gonna hope that everything we did was right, but I trust our work, I trust his work, so we're gonna get into that. So after a long troubleshooting, this guy helped us out because he understood Chinese, and there's little to no instructions on how to make this system work.
In English.
Yeah, in English at least. So we had to wing it, and if he wasn't here, I don't know what we would have done. But we were able to get it working. We had to cut some things and splice some things and connect some wires. Finally got it to work. We're just gonna he's putting the wires back together correctly. We were running it, and we came down to realize that we had something plugged into the wrong place in the front of the car. But we did see the video come up when the car was in reverse, so we definitely did get that correct. So like again, right now he's connecting everything. He's putting all the wires back together. We're gonna tuck everything away, put all the trim piece away. If you guys wanna learn how to take off this trunk piece, you guys can watch my other video on how to install the taillights. So you guys see me go in depth on how to take these off. So for now, we got it going. I'm gonna show you guys the video quality after he puts the wires back together. It took a long time. It took longer than we expected. We were on a roll. We were getting things done early on, but we slowed down now, but it's whatever. We'll get it done now. So you guys see he does all the wiring work, not me. I don't know how to do that. I just took the pieces off. But all right guys, I'll show you guys the video in just a second. So now we got the video going, guys. We got the video going. So as you guys can see, we put it in park, no signal, of course. You put it in drive, takes you back to your normal section. Reverse, camera comes right up. So thanks to this dude and thanks to him, we got everything going now. So now we put everything together, guys. So as you guys can see, the camera sits like that. Everything put together so neatly. Again, Matt helped me out over here. And what's your YouTube?
Ren. My YouTube is 4x4 Ren. 4x4REN.
All right, guys, follow him for XJ content. I know you guys love those. But as you guys can see, the setup is clean. Again, we ran it through here, ran it through this back panel, pulled out this piece over here, pulled out this piece, the pillar over there, this other floor pillar over here, ran it under here, stuck it through here, and everything is working perfectly. So this concludes the installation for the Andream backup camera. I bought the Andream head unit video. That's my second video if you guys want to check that out to see how that works. So now I have the complete system, and my car has Apple CarPlay and the backup camera. For those who don't have a backup camera, or those who don't have the 8.8-inch screen and want to do these upgrades, I guess I recommend them, because again, everything came out exactly how I loved it. So if you guys like this video, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. Thank you guys for listening. Beam Team, we out.